guys, what up? So today I'm going to be doing a type of video that I never do on my channel, and that is a slime video. And this slime video is going to be about types of slime lovers and types of slimes. So let's jump into it. Okay, so I think that I'll do 5 types of slimes and 5 types of slime lovers. So let's get started. Number 1, the slime that is always dried out. Number 2, the slime that gets everywhere. I'm going to throw this away. Oh, great. That is bad. Oh, no. My socks, too. Goodbye. Number 3, the slime that is super sticky. Come on, not again. Number 4, the slime that it's not stretchy. Actually, this is pretty stretchy. Alright, number 4. Again, the slime that is not stretchy at all. Number 5, the super extra duper sticky slime. Alright guys, so I've been kneading the slime. It's almost ready. It only needs a little tiny bit of activator. But, how Creator says, it only needs more kneading, so probably gonna keep kneading it for 5 more minutes or so.
It's so sticky. Alright, I'm gonna keep kneading. Hopefully it helps. Oh, the beads keep falling out. Okay.
I've been kneading it for more than 10 minutes now, and oh no! And it's still oh my gosh. Okay, now 5 types of slime lovers. Number 1, the one that is way too rough with slime. This is my butter slime. The one that is here to talk, not to poke. We all know this one, and if we don't, then here's an example. Hey guys, long time no see in a video, but something happened, so I'm finally back with one, and you guys have been requesting videos like crazy with the slime. So I was like, you know what, let's make a video with this slime. So I'm going to be poking this slime over here, and I promise this is going to be a perfect video with no talking or no anything, so let's get started now. Oh, you guys want to know what happened? Why I stopped making videos? So it turns out that I was making slimes, some new slimes from my collection. Was making bead ones, and I was making these crazy I was making some. Some of them were clear and tons of slimes. I was really excited, but it turns out that 2 slimes fell on my white new pair of pants, my favorite one. Number 4. Whoopsies. Number 4. The one that zooms in way too much, covers everything, and only shows the slime in the container. Here it is. Alright, I'll give you guys a closer look. That's that's all I can zoom in. I can't zoom in more, so sorry guys. But that's okay. So now, let's start poking. By the way, I don't really want to get it out of the container because it gets all over the place. So, I prefer to leave it in the container. So, you know. Wait a minute, guys. Can you guys see? Oh, yeah, you guys can see it perfectly. Now, last slime lover, number 5. The one that puts music over the poking. I'll show you guys what I mean. And you can't hear absolutely nothing. Plus, it's really, really, really annoying music. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this slime skit. If you did, remember to smash the like button and in the comments down below. Let me know what did you think about this video. And let me know also if you guys would like to see more slime videos. Anyways, guys, peace out.